everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video, guys. And today, guys, I will be showing you how you animate bullet points in your Google Slides presentation. So yeah, guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah, guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do, guys, is go ahead to the official Google Slides website and log into your account. After logging in, guys, you will be greeted by this main page right here where you can go ahead and create a presentation. As you can see here, guys, I have already created a presentation right here. And here I have some slides on it, my second slide with some text, my first slide with a table, and so on. So guys, what we want to do, let's say that you want to go ahead and create some bullet points right here. You want to have 5 of them and you want to animate them to appear one by one every time you click. I'm going to be showing you how to do that right now, and it's very easy. So yeah, guys, let's get into it. The first thing you want to do, guys, is go ahead and create the first bullet point right here. So you're going to do that by adding a text box and then selecting the bulleted list option right here. So guys, what you can do is go ahead and type out the first thing that you have. I have my first point right here. So guys, if you go ahead and click enter and start typing the second point, it will not work this way. You will not be able to animate it differently and it will not be able to appear one by one. So guys, what you can do is a cool trick. You can go ahead and do this. You can go ahead and type in your first point right here. And after that, guys, now you can go ahead and select this and copy it. I'm going to go ahead and copy it, guys. And after copying it, now I'm going to go ahead and insert a new text box right here in the upper bar. So I'm going to insert a new text box. And in this new text box, guys, I'm going to go ahead and paste the bulleted point that I have just made a while ago. So I'm going to go ahead and name it my second point. And after that, guys, I'm going to put it right here under this first point. I'm going to insert one more text box and it's going to be called the third point. So guys, after doing this, you want to put them one by one under each other. And now, guys, you can go ahead and start adding the animations. So let's go ahead, and as you can see, now we have 3 points, guys, right here. And we're going to go ahead and add animations one by one. We're going to do that by clicking the right click on our first point, then go ahead and click on animate. Here at the right side of the screen, guys, you can see there appears an animation button that you can use to select what kind of animation you want. Let's say we want to fly in from left. Now we want to go ahead and animate the second point. We're going to leave it at fade in. And we're going to go ahead, guys, and animate the third point, and we're going to go ahead and say something like fly out to bottom. So guys, now we have successfully animated our bulleted list. So let's go ahead, guys, and see how it looks. We're going to go ahead, start the slideshow. I'm going to go ahead to the second slide, and as you can see here, guys, now here appears my first slide right here. I'm going to go ahead and click, guys. You can see it now appears right here, the first point. I'm going to go ahead, click, and it appears the second point. So yeah, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.